Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on your MacBook. First, let's ensure your system meets the requirements. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. An Intel Core i5 or better processor is highly recommended. Also, make sure you have at least 15 GB of free storage. Meeting these specifications will provide a much better gaming experience on your device. Now, let's get Dota 2 installed. Begin by downloading and installing the Steam client on your MacBook. Once installed, either create a new, free Steam account or log in with your existing one. Navigate to the Steam store, search for Dota 2, and add it to your game library. Finally, click Install to begin the download, which might take some time depending on your internet speed. To ensure the best performance, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial. Start by adjusting video settings. Lowering texture quality and shadow details can significantly boost your frame rates. It's also wise to set the display resolution to your MacBook's native resolution for crisp visuals. Remember to close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources, ensuring a smoother gameplay experience. Ready to dive in? Begin by completing the tutorial missions. They are excellent for learning fundamental game mechanics. Don't be afraid to experiment with various heroes to discover a playstyle that suits you best. Effective communication with your teammates through in-game chat is vital for success. Finally, practice last-hitting creeps to efficiently earn gold, which is crucial for purchasing powerful items throughout the game.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.